Hello and welcome to Daily English Dose. Today we're going to do something very simple, but very powerful. Do you know how babies learn their first language? They listen and then repeat.
Repeating is not boring. It's actually training your brain and your mouth. When you repeat, you practice the right pronunciation, the natural rhythm, and the real conversation style. So today I'll have a short conversation with my guest David. After every sentence, I'll give you a chance to repeat. Don't just listen, open your mouth, speak with us, and make your English stronger every day. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi David, how are you today? Hi David, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. I'm great, thanks for asking.
Talking about weather.
So, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk. It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
Yes, I love sunny days. Yes, I love sunny days.
Daily routine.
What did you do this morning? What did you do this morning?
I had breakfast and then went for a jog. I had breakfast and then went for a jog.
Wow, that sounds healthy. Wow, that sounds healthy.
Yes, jogging gives me energy. Yes, jogging gives me energy.
What about you? What did you do? What about you? What did you do? I read a book and had some tea. I read a book and had some tea.
Offering and asking.
David, are you hungry? David, are you hungry?
A little bit, yes. A little bit, yes.
Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee?
That would be nice, thank you. That would be nice, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me get it for you. You're welcome. Let me get it for you.
Polite conversation.
Aliya, your English program is amazing. Aliya, your English program is amazing.
Thank you. I'm happy you like it. Thank you. I'm happy you like it.
You explain everything clearly. You explain everything clearly.
That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me.
Daily life sentences.
What time is it now? What time is it now?
It's almost 9 o'clock. It's almost 9 o'clock.
Are you busy today? Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work. Yes, I have a lot of work.
I need some rest. I need some rest.
Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break.
Food and drinks.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I want some rice and chicken. I want some rice and chicken.
Would you like some water? Would you like some water?
Yes, please, I'm thirsty. Yes, please, I'm thirsty.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I love coffee in the morning. Yes, I love coffee in the morning.
At the store.
How much is this? How much is this?
It's $5. It's $5.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards. Yes, we accept cards.
Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in blue?
Sorry, only black and white. Sorry, only black and white.
Meeting people.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is David. My name is David.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Travel and directions.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It's over there, near the park. It's over there, near the park.
How far is the train station? How far is the train station?
It's about 10 minutes by taxi. It's about 10 minutes by taxi.
Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way?
Sure, follow me. Sure, follow me.
At work/study.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy teaching. Yes, I enjoy teaching.
I'm a student. I'm a student.
What are you studying? What are you studying?
Feelings and opinions.
How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling happy.
I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired.
Don't worry, take some rest. Don't worry, take some rest.
This movie is interesting. This movie is interesting.
Yes, I really like it. Yes, I really like it.
Polite expressions.
Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need? Of course, what do you need?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late.
That's okay, no problem. And that's okay, no problem.
Talking about plans.
What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going shopping. I'm going shopping.
Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me?
Yes, that sounds fun. Yes, that sounds fun.
Let's meet at 10 o'clock. Let's meet at 10 o'clock.
At a restaurant.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
I would like some soup. I would like some soup.
Can I have some water? Can I have some water?
The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious.
Check, please. Check, please.
Phone conversation.
Hello, may I speak to David? Hello, may I speak to David?
Yes, this is David speaking. Yes, this is David speaking.
Can you call me back later? Can you call me back later?
Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Asking for help.
Can you open the window? Can you open the window?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word.
Let me explain it to you. Let me explain it to you.
That was very helpful. And that was very helpful.
Talking about hobbies.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy playing football. I enjoy playing football.
I like listening to music. I like listening to music.
Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I play the guitar. Great job, everyone. You listened, you repeated, and you practiced real English sentences. The more you repeat, the more confident you will become. Keep practicing every day, and soon English will feel natural to you. See you in the next daily English dose.